Hey gang, I've missed you! Today I'm wearing, I've got a coat of Gel Perfection Platinum with a coat of what on top? Halo by Gel Perfection. No! Yes. We're going to make these gel polish rings. This is a regular polish bottle. Don't use gel polish because we're going to be putting it in the lamp. So obviously it's going to have UV light on it. If you put gel polish bottle in the lamp, then, you know, you're a fucking idiot. Start off nicely. So I'm going to take some cling film. What do they call it in America? I'm trying to think of Fragile Tomatoes when she covers herself and she's like, I dressed up in saran wrap. Who's Saran? Is that a person? I don't know. So I have wrapped some of that around the lid. I wasn't looking at the screen just now, so what am I using now? This is Super Base. I'm going to do a coat of that. Probably should have picked one with maybe a white lid so I could see what the fuck I was doing, but too little too late, Miss Joe. And I'm now just wiping around trying to make it as straight as possible, but again I can't see what's going on, so it's all just kind of guesswork. Don't know why I'm tapping my fingers thinking about something interesting, I'm sure. I obviously decided against whatever I was thinking about, and that's going in the lamp. Just rolling it around, trying a few different rolling techniques. Use whichever one you like the most. Excuse my voice, I'm having another hay fever day. Even though I've taken like 200 antihistamines, my face is still going to fall off. So that was cured. I'm now doing a coat of, what was that? The first base? Why am I doing? Oh yes, this is the clear one. And I'm going to, so I haven't cured the first base. I'm going to add these super hollow shards, which are just bonkers super sparkly from Diamond Glitters. And that's what they look like. Unsurprisingly, they're silver hollow shards. Oh, and I completely missed the gel there. So I'm just going to scatter those on. I want this to be mostly see-through. So I'm just going to sort of do them sporadically. And then I think I had something else before I put it in the lamp. Yeah, I'm a mixture of hay fever and fizz. Oh, fuck off! Mute. Where's the mute? Vibrate. Mute. So these are silver hollow multi-size stars from Diamond Glitters, and they're amazing. I love stars. I'm going to pop just some of the small ones. They're all cheeky medium-sized one, making its way into the mix there. So I still haven't cured the base coat. I'm going to pop these on there, and then I think that's all I put on there. I was having a bit of a fight with picking them up, but where I've been feeling a bit pooper scoop today, instead of cutting and making it coherent, I've just sped everything up loads. It was just much easier. And then I found some moons. I don't know where they're from. Don't ask me. I don't know. I've had them since I very first started. I saw them and was like, I'm having these moons. Love some moons and stars. I was going to put just one on there. Oh my god, my nose is going to fall off. I was just going to put one on there, but I thought, you know, Jupiter can have like 29 moons or whatever it is. I made that number up. So why the hell can't I? So we put some moons in there. We cured that. Obviously rolling it around again in the lamp, and now I'm going over it with the Gel Perfection Builder in a Bottle, the clear one, just making that sort of thick-ish, making sure I've covered everything in. That was cured, and now what am I doing? I think I'm putting more, well, yes I am, more of the Builder Gel on. I did a couple of these before, well I filmed them, but I've deleted them because they just went horribly wrong. Kind of, you're going to need to make it quite thick, otherwise when you get it off, it's not particularly sturdy. You know, this stuff's fine on nails, but if you want to, it's not going to, oh, do you know what I mean? Make it nice and thick so it doesn't break when you put it off. That's what I'm trying to say. So that had a cure. I've cured everything for double the time because I was spinning it whilst curing it. I wanted to make sure that it had got everywhere it had enough. So I double cured it. Oh, and I really struggled to get this off. yeah, I was battling with it. This is why this is the first installment of what I'm decided to call All Hail or Fail, because I'm going to try things that seem to be really popular and you see all over the internet, and see if they are actually as easy as these 20-second videos make out, or whether they're just a pain in the ass. It's easy to make something look easy. I'm really struggling with that. Oh, and I knocked something over as it came hurtling off the lid. So put your lids on everything. And now I'm just getting the cling film out from the inside, which is obviously still sticky. So I gave it a wipe with some isopropyl alcohol / prep solution / wipe, cleanse, whatever you want to call it. And it helped the cling film come off. And I'm going to file it, file the sides. You can see there it's got a little bit of give in it. And then I'm going to pop it on my finger and just file around the centre of the band to smooth it out in case there's any pokey out bits. So yeah, this is going to be something I think I might do, of just, you know, when there's new trends out, and fuck me, I haven't stopped talking. There's new trends out and there's videos that you flip past on Pinterest, and they like 20 seconds and they do this amazing thing and you try it and it's like, that shit, you're lying. You're lying to my face. So I'm going to try them and I'm going to be honest and tell you whether they're as simple as they look or not. Hopefully I won't sound like this bunged up in all of them. I sound like a dead person. I look like a dead person today. I'm a mixture of pasty and allergy ridden and burnt from sitting in the sun without any cream on, because I'm a moron. So I gave that a buff, and I've popped it back on the lid just a little bit, not all the way, not going through that again. And I'm topping with diamond gloss, of course. And get it off. Give it a little wipe. And this is when I realise it doesn't fit on any of my fingers, because I have my dad's knuckles. I mean, they're mine. I own them. But they're definitely his. So that's kind of cute. Having the cling film on the inside. Oh, I'm behind. On the inside means that it's not completely smooth. So there are kind of like crinkly lines. But I did try it without using cling film, like the video I saw on Pinterest. I don't know who it was by. Don't ask me. I don't know. And I went to take it off and it was a fucking disaster. So cling film it was. So I'm now doing... I can't breathe. A coat of Blackout, the best black in the world, and that was cured. And now I've put a coat of no wipe top coat on, the diamond gloss, and I've put some cling film around it, and I'm just scrunching it with this cuticle stick to make it kind of sticky uppy and pokey and scratchy and whatever you want to call it. We're going to cure that and then peel this off. I think I did struggle to get it all off, so I used some cuticle nippers just to get the last bits off. All my fingers, apparently. And was it done? That's done. And now I'm going to take this pigment. It's the Phoenix pigment from the Galaxy collection of chromes from Diamond Glitters, but they're not actually available anymore. Oh my god, I'm going to sneeze. But obviously you can use whichever chrome you want. Ah! It's gone. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can use whichever chrome you want. I went for this one because it was I'm going for a kind of spacey vibe. Oh, I really need to blow my nose, but nobody wants to hear that. So I did that, dusted it off, and then top coat. Oh no, I haven't done that. I haven't top coated. I've put some more base coat on. And now I'm taking, these are the Autumn Dusk Chameleon dots, which are kind of suit the, I'm so sorry, that's disgusting, which suit the colour of chrome that I did. And that was cured, so I popped the dots on and cured it. I've kind of chucked everything. I've just thrown the kitchen sink at this last one because, am I going to make another ring like this? No. Just, you know, it wasn't that pleasurable. It was a bit of a pain in the arse. It wasn't a fail, but it certainly wasn't an all hail. It was like a, you know, to give it a go if you want. I'm now putting a coat of builder gel on, and then so I did just a normal coat thickness, almost like you would with a slip layer, and then building it up again, making it quite thick, because when you pull it off you want it to be relatively sturdy, otherwise you're just going to squidge it and crack it, and it won't have any strength to it. So I'm adding quite a thick layer of builder, rotating the bottle obviously as I go. Gravity does its thing and sort of pulls it round, so you get kind of like a domed ring, like so. Before I popped it in the lamp, I'm just slowly rotating it, trying to let it sort of level out all the same. I was going to pop, I was in the middle of a sentence and I went off, didn't I? Can't remember what I was talking about. I was going to put the crystal in that wet gel, but I decided I wanted to see, in the videos you see online, they just slide it right off. I don't know how. I don't know. I have no answers. But I wanted to give it a buff before putting the crystal on, so I decided not to do it then. I'll give it all a buff first. Wiping it. Again, struggling to get that inside bit out. It's fiddly as fuck. The videos are lying. Filing that again. That's two things I was talking about, and now I can't remember what either of them were about. They can't have been that interesting or relevant. Popping it on my thumb just to give it a buff. Buffaroo. And now I'm putting some top coat on the inside. Because it was black polish on the inside, it wasn't particularly sturdy, so I thought I'll chuck some diamond gloss on, and that will make it a bit more sturdy, and it will make it shiny. Everybody loves shiny. And then I cured that like that, and then popped it back on there again, just a smidge. And now I'm going around with top coat. And this does have a really cool effect. I did see the scrunching with the cling film on that bit. I saw that on Pinterest again. I don't know who it was. Sorry. It was you. So yeah, it wasn't showing up that well on camera, but it did look really cool. And then obviously I've added the dots there as well. I'm now taking this stick and just buffing a bit, because I'm going to glue the crystal on. I just wanted to give the glue sort of a nice rough surface to stick to. This is a cuticle stick that's got a file on the end, which seemed like a good idea at the time, but once you've used the very tip of it, the rest of it is just fucking useless. So won't be buying those again. I let the glue dry. This is a Chameleon crystal from Diamond Glitters, and I'm popping some of the builder in a bottle on some dots, and I'm going to put this silver thing, yep, I'm going to go with thing, at a diagonal angle, because I wanted it to look like Saturn. And then I considered doing another one, but it was too small to fit, to reach the ring once it had gone over the other thingamabob. Do you know what I mean? So I'm using the Sealed Up pen from Daily Charme. I haven't cured that sealing up yet. I'm going to go over again with diamond gloss so that the Sealed Up gel isn't just sat on top of something. It's joined on all the way around with this, and it will cure as one layer. And that is that. And again, doesn't fit me. Would I wear it if it did? I'm gonna say no. It's not really my... I think the, resin kind of plastic jewellery days are far behind me. But they are cute, and they would look really cool if a client wanted a ring that was going to match their manicure. It would be brilliant. Is it as quick and easy as the 20-second Pinterest videos make out? No. Is it fiddly? Yes. Is it a pain in the ass? Yeah. Do I want to do it again? No. But it's definitely worth having a play with and throwing some stuff at it. Oh my goodness. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for lots more. Give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.